Hi, my name is Tammy. I'm a human being, and in today's video, we'll be translating yet another block from Maggie Malone's 5500 quilt block designs. Want to see what block I chose for today's video? Stay tuned. In today's AccuQuilt block translation video, I'll be translating block 253, which is called the card basket. I really like this block because I like the accent center here that's in red. It's on point and it looks like there's kind of like a double point there because this center square is on point, and so there's some points there, and then the corners of the 9 patch are on points. Stay tuned and I'll show you what colors and what dyes I'll be using to create this block. I actually like the color scheme of the original block that's in the book, so I'm going to go ahead and mimic that color scheme with my fabrics. I've selected a purple, a green, a background for white, and a red print that has green and purple elements. Prime Day just happened in the United States and I bought some fabric. I normally don't buy fabric from Amazon. I typically buy my fabric from Fat Quarter Shop because I love Kimberly Jolly and I love her selection on her website. However, I just could not resist during Prime Day, so I bought some fabric. So this is one of the prints from the fabrics I purchased. Stay tuned and I will show you which dyes we will be using to translate the card basket quilt block. I'll be using 4 dyes from my 6-inch Go Cube mix and match set. The card basket block is primarily half square triangles, quarter square triangles, and one center unit that is a square on point. So the first die is die number 3, which is the half square triangle die. The second die is die number 4, which is the quarter square triangle die. The third die is die number 5, which are also half square triangles, but they finish to a smaller dimension because they'll be getting attached to die number 6, which is the square on point. I'm going to go ahead and cut out all the fabrics and I will show you what those fabrics look like before I piece them together. Stay tuned. I've cut out all the elements that are required to make the units that will ultimately comprise the block called the card basket. Here are the half square triangles, both in green and purple. These will be pieced together so that they will make the 4 corners of the block. Here is that square on point along with the quarter square triangles, and these quarter square triangles will be pieced onto this square on point to make that center unit. Here are the quarter square triangles that will make the middles of the block. I have 4 of the reds, 4 of the greens, and 8 whites. I'm going to piece together all of these elements, put them into units, organize the units, and show you what that looks like before I complete the block. Stay tuned. Oh my stars! This block is coming together and I am so excited about how it looks thus far. We have those half square triangles that have been pieced together to complete the 4 corner units. We have the quarter square triangles that have been pieced together to make the middle units. And we have the square on point and the smaller half square triangles that have been pieced together to make this center unit. I am going to piece together all of the units to complete the block, and then I will show you the finished project. Stay tuned. Ta-da! My quilty friend, the card basket block is all completed. I really like how it turned out. I especially like that this red area here is a print. I think the colors go together pretty well. I just overall really like this block. Let me turn it on point to see what we can imagine here. So if we turned it on point and we were putting finishing triangles here and here, this is the on point look, and here is the regular look. Again, this is the regular look, and then here is the on point look. Kind of looks the same to me. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today for Maggie Malone's 5500 quilt block AccuQuilt translation video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.